Welcome to adding a new Microsoft Word document to Complete Data. From the main screen we can select Systems, and once we are in the Systems database we can select the Letters icon, which will take us through to a list view of all the letters that we currently have in the system. So for this example we're going to be creating a buyer or prospect letter which we can then send from the contacts database. So we can see here that we have our letter type on the right hand side. If we scroll through the records, there should be some spare buyer or prospect letters. We can select the details to go into the details of any of these spare buyer or prospect letters, and we want to open this MS Word letter. So the reason that we want to open this letter up when we're creating a new letter is it already has all of the merge fields in it. So all we have to do is copy our text across from another letter or from the letter that we've created, or we can simply type that text straight in. So I can select File, Save As, and I can use the naming convention that we already have here. So it's the next letter number, followed by the name of the letter. So this is our for sale sign letter, and I have my text here in my other document, so I can copy this text by highlighting it, right clicking and selecting copy, and then I can minimize my Word document down, and I can see now that I'm in letter number 80, for sale sign. So I can go through and highlight the text that I no longer need, and I can paste my new text in. Once I have my text in there, I need to make sure that everything is okay, and once I've read through my text and made sure everything looks fine, I can then select Save, and this will now save my new text that I've added to my document, and I can close this document back down. So I've now created a new Microsoft Word letter. Now I just need to link it to the Complete Data Letters database. So I can select New Record. We can see here that it's kept letter number 080. My letter type is the database that I'll be using this letter from. So this will be the buyer or prospect, and if I hover over this, it will let me know all the letter types that I can choose from. The description, and once I have the description, then I can select link. If I'm not sure where I've just saved this letter, I can always use the booklet key in the top toolbar to go back to one of the previous letters that already works. I can see that this letter is stored in C Complete Data 7 CDMS Word letters. So just to make sure, I can check with a couple of other letters by using the booklet key, and then I can come back to my letter that I'm creating, which is going to be the last letter in my list here. So I can select link. I'm on my C drive, so I can select Complete Data 7 CDMS Word letters, and if I scroll to the end, I can see that I have my letter 080. I can select Open, and this has now linked my new letter to the program. So if I wanted to add this to a client's record, I could select the CD icon to go back to the main screen. I could select the contacts database. I can select my person that I'd like to send this letter to, select Trails, add a new activity. This will be for today's date. The ID will be Kathy. And if I scroll to the bottom, I can see my new letter that I've created, and then I can make sure that I've committed this new record by clicking the grey screen, and then I can select the print icon. So now I have my new letter. I could make any changes that I like here at the moment. Then I can select mailings and preview results, and we can see it's brought across the information that was in the double merge bracket fields. So I need to go through and make sure there's nothing else that I need to change in that letter. And once that's okay, I can select File and print my document. From here I can then select Print and make sure it's going to the correct printer, and then I can close this letter back down, and I don't need to save, and I could mark that off as completed yes. So the CD icon will take me back to the main screen. Thank you for watching.